Hey everybody, hope everybody's having a great day today. Continuing on, construction to perm, stuff that's going to go on, positives and negatives. Last one we were talking about a little bit was cost overruns. Today's a little bit more of expecting possibly temporary housing. Temporary housing can happen during construction. Uh, a lot of it depends on what loan program you go with and whether or not you are able to be approved with your current mortgage. So, say you wanted to be able to sell your house after your home is built, um, there is ways around that. And if you do qualify, it's through mostly Fannie Mae loans for a conventional loan. But you can actually still live in your other house while your other one's being built. You know, you going through and you still have certain qualifications. You can go where your monthly mortgage is not part of your qualifications, and some of it will be. If you are going FHA, uh, they also can let you do it as a second housing with a lower loan to value ratio. Uh, so, I mean, there's things you can kind of get around depending on what it is. Um, VA also kind of similarly works like conventional does as well. Uh, it's typically USDA and uh, FHA are the ones that are a little bit harder to go with that. So keep it in mind. If you go on FHA, you're going USDA. Uh, Primarily, that's going to be where you're going to sit. Is you can incur additional expenses if you need to sell your house. You know, again, if you're going to be renting somewhere, sometimes it's less than what you're paying now. Sometimes it could be more. So it just depends on the constraint of everything that's going on for that time being. So just keep it in mind. Again, sometimes if builders, they can usually sometimes help with some temporary housing, especially in Florida. There's a lot of them that will go through if they know the house is being built and they're getting paid and they're getting financed on it to be able to go through. Sometimes they have things that will put you in for temporary housing, which is kind of like renting from them till the house is completed. Uh, Again, just keeping factoring in it's stuff in the budgets that you need to make sure you're planning for to keep everything as smooth as possible so you're not trying to waste a lot more credit and doing other things. You want to be able to keep yourself on a consistent basis so when that loan is ready to go and can switch over to a permanent, you're able to take over the mortgage payments, and that's basically the whole solution when it comes to. So the market's going to fluctuate, it's going to do what it's going to do. So again, things are going to make it, but again, plan it. And again, that's what we're here for. We're able to make sure that we understand, what you're trying to do, and then work out the best solution for you. So, if you guys have any other questions, I'm here for you. Hope you guys have a good day.